Doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind.
Adrian, Swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants and a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck, but fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough, get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you, looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, close off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. I wish we speak with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at no women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you're seeing me through all the shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table, that feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Baby, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew.
What you wanna hear, your body speaking to me loud and clear. Just wanna put a smile upon your face. Just as soon as you let me in, I just wanna make you mine. Give you kisses all the time. I know you never felt a love like me. And once I get close to you, I won't leave. I'm all up in your ear, and you grab my hair, so you must be ready to go. You must be ready to go, baby. I'm all up in your ear, and you grab my hand, so you must be ready to go. You must be ready to go. There ain't known as valet, but you can't wait to take your clothes off now. And you've been biting and scratching like you're wild. Got me pinned up in your backseat. Let's just take this home, baby. Put on a show. Go and ride it like you're on a roller coaster. I know you're losing it the way you pull me closer. Baby, tell me how it feels. The way your eyes roll back, I think I know it. I'm all up in your ear, and you grab my hair, so you must be ready to go. You must be ready to go, baby. I'm all up in your ear, and you grab my hand, so you must be ready to go. You must be ready to go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this beautiful hair from AliPearl. This is from their Amazon shop. So this was 2-day shipping because I do have Amazon Prime. So this is their water wave texture. This is just dry right now, but I'm gonna put some mousse on it because I don't have a spray bottle right next to me. So this is a 6x6 closure, also 20 inches. You kind of see the texture coming out now. The price of this wig is $176. And here is the hair with some mousse on it. The hair with both sides mousse. So now I'm gonna get into the box. So this is the box. It's a really nice box. It's got this magnet thing, like to, you know, have the box closed so it's easy to open, easy to close. Because sometimes the wig boxes be so hard to open because they be like, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. And it comes with a strap that you could either like lay your edges with, because I know some people do that, or you could tape it, not tape it, but sew it to your wig so it'll just be easy to put on. It comes with some wig caps, and it comes with this bag. I love these type of bags. This is so cute. And then it also comes with a card on how to wash your wig and take care of it and stuff. Yeah. So with shedding and tangling, I do not receive any tangling, but I do receive a little bit of shedding. But I did bleach the knots on this wig, so when you bleach knots, it does cause a little bit of shedding. And I did go through and pluck the sides. I could go in and pluck some more. And of course, the only other time that I did receive shedding was when I did pluck it, and that's literally me pulling the hair out the lace, so that's gonna happen. So that is it for this review part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below and I will answer them. And yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss, don't be